Discovering that you or your loved ones have lice can be a nightmare. When these tiny parasites take residence, they feed on your blood and, most annoying, make your head unbearably itchy. Worst of all, they reproduce like crazy and spread like wildfire. To get rid of lice for good, you must get the situation under control quickly. But don't rush out and start dosing yourself with strong chemical concoctions just yet. Armed with these 10 home remedies and a lice comb, you can easily get rid of lice naturally. It's likely you already have many of these ingredients at home, some of which may surprise you. 1. Garlic. Garlic's intense smell can literally suffocate these pesky lice. Here's how to do it. Grind up 8-10 cloves of garlic into a paste and mix with 3 TBS of lime juice. Work this foul-smelling mixture through your hair and leave for 30 mins. Rinse thoroughly and repeat twice per week too. Baby oil. Baby oil is another natural treatment that can help drown out those pesky head lice. Apply baby oil to hair and comb through to remove the majority. Wash your hair with a very mild soap detergent. Run white vinegar through your hair. Cover with shower cap and leave overnight. This delicing method can be repeated as much as 4-5 days per week if you need to. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil isn't just great for cooking, it's great for choking head lice. Apply olive oil, virgin or otherwise, generously to your head before sleeping. Cover with a towel or shower cap whilst you sleep. Comb hair thoroughly in the morning and wash out with tea tree oil shampoo. This treatment can be highly effective at just 1-2 times per week. 4. Salt. Salt can be another deadly weapon for your lice-kicking arsenal. Grate 1 mixture of salt and vinegar. Moderately wet your hair using the solution. Wear a shower cap for 2-3 hours and wash your hair as normal. Repeating this process every 3 days will yield great results. 5. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly has an amazing variety of uses, including lice termination. Liberally apply petroleum jelly to your hair before going to sleep. Wrap your head with a towel or shower cap overnight. Use baby oil to help shift the jelly from your hair comb through to shift the lice. Performing this routine 3 nights in a row for maximum effect. 6. Tea oil. Tea tree oil can be used as a homeopathic remedy for dozens of health applications. As a powerful natural insecticide, the head lice won't know what hit them. Take 1 TPS of tea tree oil, mix with 1 Oz shampoo and 3 TPS coconut olive oil. Work the mixture into your hair and cover with cap for up to 1 hour. Rinse your hair using hot water, then comb through to remove lice. This may be repeated daily, but don't apply tea tree oil directly to your head. 7. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a healthy cooking oil, works wonders for your skin and hair, and stops lice outbreaks dead in their tracks. Wash your hair using diluted apple cider vinegar. Once your hair has dried, fully coat the scalp and hair with coconut oil. Wear a shower cap or towel overnight. Comb your hair thoroughly in the morning and wash as normal. Performing this routine every night for a week should do the trick. However, adding anise oil to the coconut oil will boost the lice-kicking power. 8. White vinegar. White vinegar, otherwise known as acetic acid, is easily available, inexpensive, and a potent lice killer. Mix white vinegar and water at an equal 1:1 ratio. Fully wet your hair and scalp with the acidic solution. Cover your head with a towel or cap for up to 2 hours. Comb through your hair thoroughly, dipping your comb in white vinegar shampoo as normal. This lice Armageddon can be repeated a couple of times in a row for maximum effect. 9. Sesame seed oil. Sesame seed is naturally antifungal, antibacterial, and a potent insecticide. It's a formidable weapon in the war against lice. Mix 1/4 cup of sesame seed oil, 1 8-cup neem oil, 1 TPS tea tree, 1 2 TPS rosemary and eucalyptus oil, and 1 TPS lavender oil. Wash your hair thoroughly with apple cider vinegar and dry. Liberally apply the oil solution to your head and hair. Cover with a towel or shower cap overnight. Comb thoroughly to remove dead lice and wash as normal. Apply this lice-choking essential oil solution daily for 1 week to win the war. 10. Mayonnaise. Yes, you read this one correctly. The popular condiment, mayonnaise, can drown out the lice population within a week. Thoroughly coat your scalp and hair with full-fat mayonnaise. Using a shower cap or towel, cover your head and leave overnight. Shampoo as normal and co.